Hello everyone, myself Lily Babu. Today my topic is Bewley lattice diagram, reflection and refraction. Bewley lattice diagram. This is a convenient diagram devised by Bewley, which shows at a glance the position and direction of motion of every incident reflected and transmitted wave on the system at every instant of time. The diagram overcomes the difficulty of otherwise keeping track of the multiplicity of successive reflections at the various junctions. Procedure to draw lattice diagram. All waves travel downhill because time always increases. The position of any wave at any time can be deduced directly from the diagram. The total potential at any point at any instant of time is the superposition of the waves which have arrived at that point up till that instant of time, displaced in position from each other by intervals equal to the differences in their time of arrival. The history of the wave is easily traced. It is possible to find where it came from and just what other waves went it to composition. Attenuation is included so that we so that the wave arriving at the fare of a line corresponds to the of the value entering multiplied by the attenuation factor of the line. Lattice diagram. Reflection and refraction. First one, to find out the determine reflected voltage V1 in terms of A equal to reflection coefficient, and then we find a determine transmitted voltage V1 dash in terms of B equal to refraction coefficient, and then and and then relation between A and B and transmitted or reflected current. Finally, finally you'll get the answer. Substituting V1, we get I1 equal to minus A of V by Z1 equal to minus AI. Thank you.